Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over where to buy your first weapon in the game Dead Rails, and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is just load into a game, and then as you can see at the back right by the, I believe that's a church or a bell, it's going to be a gunsmith, and then you can go ahead and make your way over to the gunsmith, and then from here you can buy weapons and ammo. So you can buy a pistol for 3 bonds and then purchase ammo as well. All the ammo is 2 bonds, and all the 2 of these guns are 3 bonds, and then the last one is 5 bonds. So yeah, that is basically how to buy your first weapon, or where to buy your first weapon. And then I believe in order to get bonds in general, you have to like actually do a mission or complete challenges. Yeah, you need to like complete challenges, and then you can get 5 bonds, etc., etc. So that is basically it. So that is how to do that. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.